Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 2014 Civic headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your vehicle, ensuring you're seen by other drivers, especially during nighttime drives or in poor weather conditions. This video will take an in-depth look at the 2014 Honda Civic headlights, exploring their design, functionality, common issues, replacement options, and of course, helping you decide if an upgrade is right for you. We will cover everything from bulb types and brightness to potential problems and solutions, providing you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. DWVO Civic Headlight Assembly. It fits 2012 to 2015 Civic sedans and 2012 to 2013 Civic coupes. Make sure to check your model before ordering. It uses 9005 high beam and 9006 low beam bulbs, but bulbs are not included. These headlights feature integrated metallized reflectors. This means you'll get increased light distance for better visibility and safer driving, especially in low light conditions. They're fully sealed with solid silicone to keep moisture out. This ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, or dust storms. The durable polycarbonate lenses and high-impact housing protect against road debris and impacts. They're tough enough for off-road adventures. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights. Professional installation is recommended. The set includes both the driver and passenger side. What we like. It's fully sealed to protect against harsh weather. The durable lenses resist damage from road debris. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this is it. What people say. These are easy to install and fit perfectly. Much brighter and fit great. Very easy to install. Great fit and easy install. Make sure you get the lights for coupe if you have coupe or sedan for sedan. Number 4. AUTOZENSATION 88 Civic Headlight Assembly. It's compatible with 2012 to 2015 Civic sedans and 2012 to 2013 Civic coupes. It uses 9005 high beams and 9006 low beams, but bulbs aren't included. Completely sealed with silicone and one-way vents, it prevents moisture buildup. No more worries about corrosion or damage from the elements. Metallic parabolic reflectors give you a broader, smoother, and brighter beam of light. See the road better than ever before. The side microprism reflector makes you more visible at night, enhancing your safety and the safety of others. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are highly resistant to shocks and vibrations, perfect for any road conditions. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This ensures worry-free performance in any weather. The improved reflectors give you a wider, brighter beam. If enhanced visibility and safety are your priorities, choose this one. What people say. The installation was smoother than my attempts to parallel park. With just a few simple steps, I went from dim and dreary to bright and beaming. Now, night driving is a whole new adventure. I can actually see the road ahead without straining my eyes, which is great for avoiding those pesky potholes that pop up like they own the place. The units were packaged well. I installed them in my 2012 Honda Civic LX Coupe. Perfect fit. Number 3. AUTOZENSATION Honda Civic Headlamps. These headlights are perfect for your 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic, both 2-door and 4-door models. They're designed for a precise fit and easy installation. They're made from durable polycarbonate, ensuring they won't yellow or cloud over time. This means lasting clarity and a great look for your Civic. The package includes a pair of headlights, one for the left and one for the right side. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is right here. Installation is straightforward. They're a direct bolt-on replacement. While modifications aren't usually needed, professional installation is always recommended. Rest assured, these headlights meet all SAE and DOT safety standards. Drive with confidence and peace of mind. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day refund policy and a 90-day exchange policy for your complete satisfaction. What we like. They're made with high-quality materials that won't yellow over time. Installation is straightforward and simple. If you value a hassle-free experience and a satisfaction guarantee, this is the option for you. What people say. It fits right, only issue is that it uses H1 bulbs versus OEM. Not a big issue but a pain in the ass to replace because of the retainer clips. Overall love it, made my car look even cleaner. This is my 2013 Honda Civic Coupe with these headlights installed, and let me just tell you. They look amazing. Took me a bit to install but at the end it ended up looking much better than stock. Number 2. AS Honda Civic Headlights, 12 to 15. These headlights are a perfect replacement for your 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. They're designed for a seamless fit and easy installation, just like the originals. With an IP65 rating, it's fully sealed against the elements. Drive confidently through rain, snow, or even on rough roads, they'll stand up to it all. Experience superior visibility with these headlights. The high-definition design and reflective bowl ensure a bright, clear light output. Installation is quick and easy. It's a simple bolt-on design, so you can have them installed in 15 minutes or less. We stand behind our product. These headlights come with a 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. These are completely sealed against the elements. You'll get a significantly brighter light output. If easy installation and superior performance are important to you, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit perfectly and a good deal. Bought these for my car because the original ones were fogged and cloudy. These fit great. Watch the YouTube video to understand the installation. Once you understand it, pretty easy. They look great, almost OEM. Installing these headlight assemblies was easier than expected. YouTube has several videos to walk you step by step through the process. The new assemblies were perfect replicas of the originals. They're beautiful, make my car look new again, and they project a strong, clear beam for excellent nighttime visibility. Number 1. AKKON Honda Civic Headlights. Give your Honda Civic a stunning new look with these high-quality replacement headlights. They're a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation a breeze. These headlights are specifically designed to fit 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic sedans and 2012 to 2013 coupes. Ensure a perfect match for your vehicle. You'll receive both the left and right headlights, providing a complete and symmetrical upgrade for your Honda Civic. Installation is straightforward. They're designed as a direct replacement, requiring no additional wiring or modifications. However, professional installation is always recommended. These headlights meet DOT and SAE safety standards, ensuring both quality and compliance. Drive with confidence and style. Don't wait. Upgrade your Honda Civic's headlights and experience the difference. Order yours now and enjoy a brighter, safer drive. What we like. It's a direct replacement for a quick and easy swap. They meet all safety standards. If you want a simple, straightforward installation, this is the perfect option. What people say. Much cheaper than Honda OEM part and look just as good. Have ordered AKKON headlight assemblies for other vehicles as well, always a perfect fit. These lights appear to be very well made and they are well protected by the great packaging for shipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.